Hey guys, welcome to No Stress Kitchen. Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you how to make really quick pickled red onion. Now, I love pickled onions. I always have some in my fridge. I find them to be the perfect condiment, topping kind of thing for hamburgers, hot dogs, barbecue, pretty much anything. I mean, I put them in tacos. I use pickled red onion a lot. It's super easy to make. All you need is a red onion. I've got like 3/4 of one right here because I kind of used this for something else earlier. Vinegar, a little bit of water, and sugar and salt. That's it. Simple. Follow along. Okay, first order of business. I've got 1.5 cups of vinegar. Also got 1/2 cup of water. You can just use regular straight vinegar though. You don't necessarily need the water to dilute it. You can use regular vinegar, apple cider vinegar, you choose. Okay, a liberal amount of salt. I'm not going to tell you how much. Just, salt. And just for a little bit of sweetness, I've got a little bit less than 1/4 cup of sugar. It adds that little bit of sweetness to offset the pungent taste of vinegar. Now we're just going to heat this and we're stirring it up. Make sure everything's dissolved. Oop, splashing's okay. And then we're going to get this to not quite a boil, but almost a boil. In the meantime, we're going to cut up our onion. We're going to put our onions in a container. If you cut less, obviously use a smaller container. You don't want to have a ton of extra space. That just means you can just use less vinegar. Okay, when our vinegar and when our brine, basically vinegar, salt, and sugar mixture is just a little bit below boiling, but not quite boiling, but hot enough. Carefully pour this over. Make sure it covers. That's about perfect. Make sure it covers all of your onions. Now I would probably let it sit just out here for a few minutes to cool down a little bit. And then we're going to put this with a lid on in the fridge. That's going to sit in the fridge probably, I don't know, minimum of a few hours, but the longer the better. All right guys, that's it. It's that simple, okay? I'll let this sit in here for probably a minimum of a couple hours. It'll start to get pickled by then. You start to get the flavors. But the longer it sits in your fridge, the more flavor is going to get in here, the more pickled it's going to get. And you're going to get that nice, like pop from the vinegar, but you're going to have a little bit of sweetness from the sugar. So there you have it. It's something you can do that's just a little bit different than your average. Let's just say you're tired of just the regular ketchup and mustard on toppings for things, or mayo, or any of the kind of creams or what have you, right? I mean, sometimes you just want like a different type of topping, and this comes in. For me, I love it. I put it on everything. So anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, please let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. I like showing how you do these really quick, easy recipes, especially something you can keep in your fridge and have for a while, do ahead of time. If you want to see more stuff like this, please comment below, and really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks, everybody.